Hello and welcome to Maiers Electronic Quickbook AI agent developed in N8N, Live Agent Studio and Lovable. So imagine the following problem. One of your power outlet is not working, but it's late at night and you cannot reach the electrician. So what you want to do is you want to use the scheduling assistant to book an appointment. So you go to the website and open the AI agent and tell him, hello, I have a problem with one of my power outlets. Is there could an electrician come tomorrow? So the quick action now checks the calendar and says, there are time slots available tomorrow from 11 to 12, 1 a.m. So basically one time slot in the morning and the afternoon is free. So let's check the calendar, and today is the 23rd. On the 23rd, he has 3 appointments in the morning. From 11 to 12 is free. From 12 to 13 is lunch break. Then from 13 to 17 o'clock, he's available again. You will see the times later when I presented the an agent. So I say, great, I want to book from 3 to 4. I have an issue. So, so now it needs some more information. So my name is Stefan. Okay, I live in Test Street 1 in Test City. And I need a phone number for a conversation. As you can see, I'm very loose with how I provide the information. But still, the AI agent derived from that, hey, yeah, location is Test City. Name is Stefan. And my phone number is this. So I say, yeah, this all looks good. I say confirm. And let's check our calendar. Oh, I see a new appointment from 15 to 16 o'clock. Problem with power outlet. Contact Stefan Kahn, phone number this. And it has the location correctly put in here. So the AI agent was successfully able to check when appointments are available, book the appointment, and collect the required information for the electricians. How was this done? Let's go to our agent. So we have here our agent, and if you have seen other N8N agents, this looks as basic as it gets. We have our webhook and the prepare fields and the prepare outfields and web fields. These are things required for the Live Agent Studio as well as the Postgres memory. And then you already have your chat model, where I use GPT-4o. Yeah, since you are dealing with complex language tasks, it's advised to take a smart model. You have your agent with your prompt. You are an appointment booking agent. You're capable of collecting data and checking when appointments are available. Then your first task. Then are here the time slots which are available. If I want, for example, a shorter Friday, I can define this here as well. Then I have to tweak my query. Then a tab only provides time slots which are available. As you can see here, for Tuesday, it only provided me that list minus the ones which are booked. Then I tell him which information to collect. Then I tell it, hey, yeah, after I collected all the information, provide a summary of the issue, and then confirm this. And now, how does the booking happen? How does the gathering of the appointments happen? You go into your Google Calendar widget, and you collect the appointments. So here, this is a tool which is already fully integrated with N8N. There are other calendar tools as well. So for example, we have Calendly, and I also made a demo, which I can also quickly show you, where I connected a specific API from Hannes Maier, who will have a separate entry in the hackathon about getting appointments with a custom agent, where I just do REST requests. So you are very flexible in which calendar to actually connect. You just have your tool for getting the events, how to gather the from and to. With this from AI, you want the property before and what this property is, all described in natural language. And also the calendar, to create the event with the start, with the end, with the description, with the location, and with the summary. And as you can see, if I look here, I have here the location, I have the summary, I have the description, which is Google naming, and I have the correct time. So it gathered all this information. This is, the most complex part is the prompt engineering, which is its own profession. But with this prompt, you can be somehow reliable that it books correctly. So now let's go to the Live Agent Studio. This is all integrated in N0. And let's do the same question here. Let's ask it in here. So the studio is syncing. It's also connected to the N8N endpoint. So as you can see, it worked here, but it's syncing now. And now it's collected me similar than before. Okay, now it's collected them twice. Similar to here, 11, 1, 2 to 3. And here it actually made a mistake, but it's corrected it firstly. So but the progress is more or less the same. But actually I don't need the agent 0. I can define my own lovable AI, where I customize the header, put some nice images to the left and right, and just made a warm welcoming color scheme. And this was done exclusively in Lovable. The only commits you see here is updates to the README and the agent. But the whole AI was done by prompting it. And the basis for the prompting were Colin's amazing video about the insane new strategy for building AI agents. The prompt he defined. And then some customizations to it, like not having the chat window, the chat history, having a dedicated header, how the image is added, and I changed a bit the behavior of the prompting. So for example, if I type here something, hello my lovely agent, you see the message is displayed here instantly, and it's not losing focus. This is not disabled. So that's a small change. Maybe Colin, if you're watching, it's nice if the chat box is not disabled, because it's a bit annoying that if you type something here, it gets disabled. It's connecting. You cannot just type again. You have to click here. So Colin, if you're watching, maybe you want to change that. But that's it already. So to summarize, you used N8N to develop an AI agent to collect data, the issue description, and the time slot, check if this time slot is available, and then book this appointment in an external calendar. Use Live Agent Studio to define the webhooks and the preparation of the input fields, so we have a unified way that external apps can connect to it. And we defined a custom UI interface, so the user has a nice and welcoming agent with which he can chat with. I hope you liked it. I hope you learned something, and any feedback is welcome. Bye.